the trauma that Black people go through. It doesn't boost anything else but the trauma. And unfortunately, that's something that's going to continue until a revolution, which will not be televised, actually fucking happens. And when I speak on policy, right, really policy really just followed the story. It really did, because once Black communities were framed as dangerous, it became easier to justify over policing. It became easier to justify mass incarceration. It became easier to underfund schools, even induce housing discrimination as well, and the system feeds on that. So when you really look at Black on Black crime, it's not a neutral phrase, excuse me. It's, from my standpoint, being in the marketing world, it's a slogan for punishment. Black on Black crime, Black on Black crime. Oh, we're going to beat it in Black people's heads. That's literally what the fuck this is. And a lot of people don't see that because, again, people only understand to the level of comprehension. People only understand to the level of their perception and not their perspective. And I speak on this all the time. Now this kind of rhetoric sticks all the fucking time because it sounds logical on the surface. But when you start to actually dig deeper into it, people hear most victims of Black crime are Black. You don't hear about a person who was a victim of Black crime, the victim being white. You don't hear a person who was a victim of Black crime, them being Latino. You don't hear that. What do you hear? The person who was a victim of Black crime was a Black person. And when you stop thinking there, what they are not telling us is that crime really follows proximity. Poverty across the board, across all races, increases crime on top of that, right? So, and this is why I believe segregation forces proximity.